My dear younger student, today I want to practice. I want to make you practice. আমি তোমাকে practice করাইতে চাই. If you practice to say something, যদি তোমরা practice করো, you can speak English fluently. তোমরা ইংরেজি বরাবর বলতে পারো. Please, Mira is coming here to say something. Please come here, Mira. My dear student, please listen to Mira with a great attention. Mira, কথা তোমার শুনে বলতে চাই. And you start.
Assalamualaikum, my dear friends. I would like to say about myself. I am Mira. I am a student of class 7. My father's name Kamrul Hassan and my mother's name Nahida Sultana. I want to be a doctor. Pray for me.
Thank you. Thank you, my dear younger student. Mira has said something very nicely about, he has said about herself very nicely and properly. By this way, you have to practice every day. Thank you. No more today. See you again, inshallah.